2010 International 4300 has a 2800 gallon 4 compartment aluminum tank, stock number 109289. 2010 International 4300 has a MaxxForce DT at 245 horsepower. Has a 6-speed Eaton Fuller transmission with power steering, air brakes, air conditioned, cruise control, AM FM CD radio, has mirror heat, a block heater, has two 50-gallon aluminum fuel tanks. Front tires are 295/75 R22.5s on steel rims. Rears are 275/80 R22.5s on steel rims. It's a spring suspension with 33,000 GVW. Tank is a 1996 New Progress 2800 gallon 4 compartment aluminum tank. Compartment sizes are 800, 800, 700, and 500. It's a double bulkhead, DOT 406. It has two 2.5-inch Blackmer pumps. Has two 2-inch Neptune meters and rebuilt registers with auto stop and ticket printers. Has two Hannay electric hose reels with around 120 feet of 1.25-inch hoses and nozzles. Has two 2-inch jumper hoses with new 2-inch Emco Wheaton dry brakes. It's cable operated internal valves. Has 6-inch Civacon load heads with handles and brake interlocks. Has vapor recovery. Has a Liberty Overfill protection system with two new HotShift PTOs. Again, we have a 2010 International with a 2800 gallon 4 compartment aluminum tank, stock number 109289. If you'd like more information, please give us a call at area code 865-524-5678 or visit us online at www.petroleumtrucks.net.